Happy New Year, guys. 2023 will bring you very good luck. My name is Karan, and you are welcome to your channel. And in today's video, I will talk about a very important investment instrument which has always been a part of our life, but in the recent past, it lost its importance because of the rate of returns. But now the good news is that as we enter 2023, this traditional investment instrument has again become it has again become exciting. So you can explore the advantages of this investment instrument and maybe add some percentage in your portfolio. In this video, I will talk about what this investment instrument is, what mistakes I made in last 2-3 years while investing in these deposits. Okay, so without wasting any more time, guys, this investment instrument is called fixed deposit, right? We have always used this instrument in the past, most popular, but as we know, there were other instruments which were introduced, mutual funds, stocks, government bonds, company deposits. So it lost its luster. But as we enter 2023, so I know some banks which are even offering 8% interests. Even a good highly rated private banks are offering 7% to normal citizens and 7.5 to senior citizens. So guys, this is the time if you want to park some amount of your money, maybe as an emergency fund or as your investment as well. So 7% is a very decent return. So maybe you can go for 1 year or 2 year fixed deposit. So that's one important update. Second update which I want to share is what mistakes I made while using fixed deposit in the past. Okay, so there was a time 2 years back when the interest were very down. So these interest things, it keeps on going up and down basis the Reserve Bank of India policies. So whenever Reserve Bank of India increases the lending rates, so normally the fixed deposit rates also grows, and whenever the RBI reduces the lending rates to the bank, the rates goes down. So there is an inverse relationship. So now we know that RBI has increased the lending rates. So similarly, the banks will also increase their rates for housing loans. So similarly, they are encouraging people to invest more in fixed deposits. So that is one important aspect which we should take into consideration while investing in fixed deposits. What is the RBI lending rate? Is it going up or is it going down? Since the lending rate is going up right now, so it is feasible and it is advisable to go for fixed deposits. So I have used this this year as well. So it's up to you if you want to take advantage, maybe park some funds over there. But only one best practice which I want to share, and I have lost some money while investing in fixed deposits 2 years back when rate was around 5%. So I decided that I should invest for maybe more than 3 to 4 years, which is not a good strategy. Basically, if we are investing in a fixed deposit, we should try to invest it for 1 year or maximum 2 years, so that if the interest rate goes up, we should not regret. So as I said, when the interest rates are very low in the economy, let's say 5%, so always try to invest for only 1 year, because economy changes, macroeconomic factors, geopolitical stuff changes, so which will increase the fixed deposit rates. So as I said, 7% is decent, you can invest for 2 to 3 years, but 5% was not decent. So that was the time for you to park the money only for 1 year. So the mistake which I made, guys, don't repeat the mistake. When the interest rates are low in fixed deposits, 5%, invest only for 1 year, and next year renew your deposits. But when the interest rates are over 7 to 8% or 9%, go for 5 years. Okay. So that's about in this video, guys. Try to take advantage of fixed deposits this year. Returns are quite decent, and let's see how this year goes. We are positive. It's the first day of 2023, so let's see. Let's hope that all of us do well in this year. We make more money, we get better with our health, and we take full charge of our life. So we'll keep talking, guys. Thanks a lot for your time. Have a great day.